Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have another cute nail tutorial. This nail set is based on like the evil eye and stuff, and also for my birthday, because I am an Aries. I'm not showing you how I did the Aries hand, but I am showing you the other one. I am just prepping my nails now, just filing them down. Here I'm just using my cuticle pusher. It looks like I'm pressing really hard, but I'm not. I'm usually very gentle with my cuticle pusher. And then I go on with some acetone to dry out my nails. I used to use rubbing alcohol, but I felt like this acetone like dehydrated them way more. Now I'm just clipping my cuticles. I'm just using my e-file now around my cuticle to get rid of like the dead skin and stuff. Now that that's done, I'm just gonna go in with my hand file on the more like finer side to just buff my nail. You basically want to file it until there's no shine left onto the nail. Here are the nail tips I used. I love these nail tips. I just put them on with some nail glue. And then I'm going to file the tip until there's no shine and kind of blend the tip into my natural nail. Okay, huge jump in time. Basically, to put on my polygel, I dehydrate my nails with rubbing alcohol and then I use some base coat. I'm just showing you how I did one nail. That's why all the other nails are done. They're all the same color, so I didn't really think it would matter. To be honest, I'm sure you don't want to see me do the same exact thing on all 5. I just push it all around. And usually I do my first base layer and then I cure it and then go in with the second layer to build it up. I haven't done my nails in probably like a month or something. I don't really remember. My nails were like so messed up. I did make a video on fixing them. I was wearing nail polish for a little bit, but I really missed having long nails. I haven't done my nails in quite a long time. I feel like a month doesn't seem like that long, but I swear it really is. I feel like this isn't my best like shaping or sculpting, I guess, but I still think this set turned out super cute. Now I'm going to file. I am just using my hand file because I'm still terrified of my e-file a year later. So I basically will mostly focus on the sides of the nail and debulk those because if there's too much you'll lose the shape. I just file all of it, even the surface, and I get around my cuticle just a little bit, not like too close, because I'll go in with my e-file around the cuticle area. Now I'm using my gel. This is glow in the dark and it's such a strong glow in the dark. I'm just putting some onto this little thing and I'm using a dotting tool. Here's the design. This looks amazing. Mine is definitely not as good, but I still love the design and I wanted to try it. It's cute. I love the wavy kind of French tip they had. Now I'm decorating the other two nails. I'm using a matte top coat. I love using a matte top coat first just because it like smooths everything out and is really thick. But yeah, I put that on and I'm using a blue rhinestone and these little golden points. I don't know what they're called, but yeah. And then I decided to put some of the dark blue like on the sides to kind of make like a line across my nail. Now for my thumb, I put the top coat on and I'm gonna do the eye and rhinestones. I'm using black for the pupil and then going in with the other colors. I wish I had smaller rhinestones. I feel like it would make it look way more detailed. These ones are kind of big. Maybe I just have a small thumb, but I still think it's so cute. I just love the rhinestones, but I do the black pupil and then I do light blue around. And then I'm gonna take some smaller silver ones and do it around like every other gem. I feel like it's kind of hard to explain what I'm doing, so you'll just have to look, but like every other one. And then I'll go in with dark blue to fill in like the empty space. You'll see what I mean, but that's what I do for the eye. For this part, I'm out of frame as usual. I put 2 stars on the nail and I did put 2 of the rhinestones, and that's what it looks like after it's cured. I am gonna put glossy top coat. I go in with this gold gel now and I'm just lining around the squiggly part. I go in with the matte top coat again just to run all 3 of the nails that I didn't use top coat on yet. And then I'm just gonna use a regular glossy top coat. That's all for the nails. My little sister said I should take the video in front of flowers, so here we go. I think they turned out super cute. I just love the Aries hand too, and on the thumb I did the little constellation with rhinestones and gold gel. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you guys next time.